Hi, my name is Rai Kai. Today, I'm going to present the ERP end-to-end business process simulation for Geek Solutions, SDN-BHD. Geek Solutions is a growing Malaysian company that designs and manufactures protective gear such as safety helmets, safety vests, and gloves for construction and industrial workers. As the business grows, the company starts facing more problems in coordinating sales, raw materials, and production planning. Their old system is mostly manual, using spreadsheets, emails, and separate records. Because of that, they often face stock shortage, delayed delivery, and inefficient production scheduling. To solve these issues, Geek Solutions implements an ERP system with three main modules: sales management, material management, and production planning. Now, I will show how one customer order moves through the full ERP process.
Before we start anything, first we need to look at market demand. Based on previous sales records and current market trend, we can see that demand for safety helmets is increasing. This is because there are more construction and industrial projects happening now, especially around the region.
This stage is called forecasting. Forecasting helps the company estimate future demand before actual customer orders come in. So instead of waiting last minute, the company can plan earlier.
Okay, based on our forecast, we expect higher sales for safety helmets this month. So now, we move this information into the next stage, which is sales and operations planning.
Now let's discuss with sales and operations team. Sales can share expected demand, and operations can check whether we have enough capacity, manpower, and materials.
From the sales side, demand is really picking up. We are expecting more customer inquiries and more confirmed orders this month.
From operations side, we need to make sure our machines, labor, and materials are enough. If not, later we cannot meet delivery date.
This stage is called Sales and Operations Planning, or SOP. Here, sales targets and operational capacity are aligned together.
All right, we agree on the plan. Now we continue with actual demand when customer order comes in.
Hello, I'm from Johor Build Safe Enterprise. We want to order 2,000 safety helmets for our upcoming project. Please make sure delivery is on time.
Sure. Thank you, Mr. Lim. Let me check in the system first. Mr. Lim, this is your order and quotation for you. Please take a look.
Yes, I am okay with the quotation you provide. Please proceed.
This is part of the sales management process. In the ERP system, the sales team can prepare quotation, manage customer data, and convert quotation into sales order more easily using centralized record.
Mr. Lim has accepted the quotation. Now I'm converting it into a sales order in the ERP system. The sales order for 2,000 safety helmets has been entered into the system.
Let me check the current stock level. Right now, we only have 500 units of finished helmets available.
Only 500 are, then definitely cannot fulfill full order immediately.
Yes, correct. So now the ERP system will calculate the actual requirement. Since customer needs 2,000 units, and we already have 500 in stock, that means we still need to produce 1,500 more helmets. And we need to plan for the remaining quantity now.
This stage is called demand management. Forecast data and actual sales order are combined here. The ERP checks available inventory and calculates the net requirement.
So now the system will pass this 1,500 unit requirement to the next stage, which is master production scheduling. Now I will prepare the master production schedule for the additional 1,500 safety helmets.
Please make sure the schedule matches our delivery deadline, because if too tight, later production team will have problem.
Master production scheduling focuses on planning the finished product. It answers three questions: what to produce, how many to produce, and by when.
All right, the production schedule is ready. Next, I will run the material requirements planning to check the raw material requirement.
The system will use our bill of materials to calculate what raw materials are needed for the helmets.
In the production planning module, BOM shows the materials needed to make the product, while routing shows the production steps. BOM is the ingredients, and routing is the steps.
The ERP shows that to produce the extra 1,500 helmets, we need 800 kilograms of ABS plastic.
But our current stock is only 300 kilograms.
That means we are short of 500 kilograms. The system will now generate a purchase requisition automatically.
This is where ERP checks material shortage and automatically creates procurement requirements for missing raw materials.
I have received the purchase requisition from the ERP system for 500 kilograms of ABS plastic. Now I will convert it into a purchase order and send it to our supplier.
This is part of the material management module. Purchasing is supported by vendor data, material data, purchasing organization, and purchasing group.
The supplier already confirmed they can deliver in 3 days. I have updated the lead time in the system.
With ERP, the company can monitor supplier lead time and stock replenishment properly.
The raw materials have arrived. I am now posting the goods receipt in the ERP system.
Please check the quantity and the material condition properly.
Yes, quantity is correct, and the material will also go through quality checking. Inventory is now updated in the system.
Goods receipt is important because once posted, the stock level is updated in real time and quality checking can also be triggered.
Once materials arrive, we can release production.
Good. Now we have enough materials. We can proceed to production.
Now I am creating the production order for 1,500 safety helmets. The ERP system is using the BOM to allocate materials and the routing to assign production shifts. It is also checking our work centers to see which machines and lines are available.
Okay. The system has assigned the work to molding, assembly, padding, and inspection sections. First, we mold the ABS plastic into helmet shells. Then we prepare the foam padding, attach the straps, and continue with final assembly and inspection.
This stage is called manufacturing execution. At this point, the planning output becomes actual shop floor activity. The ERP tracks the production progress, step by step.
I'm updating progress directly into the system, so we can monitor everything in real time.
The ERP helps reduce bottlenecks, improve machine usage, and avoid delays caused by manual tracking.
Production is completed. The 1,500 new helmets are now added into finished goods inventory.
Great. Together with the earlier 500 units, now we have the full 2,000 helmets needed for the customer order.
I will now confirm the delivery schedule and send the order confirmation to Mr. Lim.
Okay, thank you. Good that the delivery date is clear and accurate.
One major advantage of ERP is that delivery scheduling becomes more accurate because it is based on actual stock and production lead time, not just guesswork.
The goods have been delivered. Now the order can be settled. I will record the transaction outcome, including cost and order completion details.
This final stage is called order settlement. It closes the full ERP process and connects the business transaction to the financial side.
With this, management can review the final results of the order properly.
Besides the main ERP flow, there are also some business challenges that the company must manage.
If supplier delivery is late, then production will also be delayed.
If stock is not updated properly, we may face shortage or excess inventory. And if machine capacity is limited, we may face production bottleneck.
If sales team promises delivery too early without checking system data, customer satisfaction will drop.
ERP helps reduce these risks by giving better data visibility and better coordination between departments. In conclusion, the ERP integrates sales management, material management, and production planning into one complete end-to-end process. The process started from forecasting and SOP, continued with demand management, then moved into MPs, MRP, procurement, manufacturing execution, and finally order settlement. ERP helped us manage customer orders more accurately, improved our procurement and material planning, made production scheduling and execution more efficient. And ERP also ensured the order was properly settled and recorded. So overall, ERP helps improve planning, coordination, inventory control, production efficiency, and delivery accuracy. Thank you.